Hindi storytelling, second in English recitation. Endowment Prize, first in Hindi in standard first, highest marks in maths in standard first. Rusty Gauri, winner of 4 prizes, first in English recitation, second in Hindi storytelling, third in fancy dress, third in Hindi recitation. Ritti Kokarle, first in Hindi handwriting, third in drawing, third in English handwriting. Riddhima Sawan, second in English storytelling. Swarali Lad, third in English storytelling. Arya Rege, second in drawing competition. Arya Rege, second in drawing competition, third in English recitation. Vallabh Ingavale. Come from there. Vallabh Ingavale, second in Hindi handwriting, second in English handwriting. Neil Lales, first in English handwriting, and Endowment Prize for English handwriting, highest marks in maths in standard first. Aditi Dalvi, third in Hindi handwriting, and Endowment Prize for quiz. Divya Arabhatti, first in quiz competition and Endowment Prize. Thank you, sir. Now I request Shri B.H. Katti, sir, to give away the prizes. We begin with third standard. Devashri Nene, winner of 9 prizes, first in second standard, second in English handwriting, second in English allocation, Endowment Prizes, first in standard second, first rank in standard second, girl people who secured first rank in standard second, for memory test, first in quiz, and highest marks in Hindi in standard second. Aryan Manglikar, winner of 7 prizes, first rank in second, first in English handwriting, third in English recitation, Endowment Prizes, first in GK, highest marks in English in standard second, highest marks in maths in standard second, highest marks in EVS in standard second. Devashri Ambekar, second rank in standard second, second in Hindi handwriting. Janvi Sawant, first in Hindi handwriting, second in drawing. Riya Pal, third in drawing. Richa Seth, winner of 5 prizes, first in English recitation, second in Hindi storytelling, second in fancy dress, second in Hindi recitation, third in English allocation. Savani Shahasrabuddhe, first in drawing, third in English handwriting. Harshini Kabane, winner of 4 prizes, first in Hindi storytelling, first in English allocation, first in Hindi recitation, second in English recitation. Anvesha Tambal, third in Hindi story, third in Hindi recitation. Usharvi Shetty, third in Hindi handwriting and Endowment Prize for quiz. Bhargavi Raul, third in fancy dress. Parents, please cheer them up. Aditya Wagh, first in fancy dress. Manglekar, second rank in standard second. Thank you, sir. Now I request Shri M.N. Gudi, sir, to give away the prizes. Nupur Chowdhury, winner of 8 prizes, first rank in standard third, first in Hindi storytelling, second in Hindi recitation, first rank in both the division in standard third, girl pupil who secures first rank in standard third, first in memory test, highest marks in maths, highest maths and science in standard third. Asmi Amin, winner of 4 prizes, second in standard third, second in drawing, third in education, third in fancy dress. Darsh Haria, winner of 4 prizes, second rank in third, second in Hindi handwriting, third in Hindi recitation, first in education competition and endowment prize. Ishan Abhankar, he is absent. Saurav Dubey, winner of 5 prizes, first in English recitation, first in Hindi recitation, second in fancy dress, third in Hindi storytelling and endowment prize for general knowledge. Jeshta Chavan, winner of 4 prizes, first in Hindi handwriting, second in English recitation, third in English handwriting and endowment prize for patriotic song. Kavya Matre, winner of 6 prizes, first in drawing, second in English handwriting, third in Hindi handwriting, first endowment prize, first in judging table, 100% attendance, not remaining absent single day. Highest marks in English both the division. Thank you, sir. Okay. Excuse me, sir. Vaishnavi Pathak, winner of 4 prizes, second in Hindi storytelling, second in education, first in mental maths and endowment prize, highest marks in Hindi in standard third. Thank you, sir. Now I request our principal madam, Nelson madam, to give away the prizes. Meghna Narela, she is absent. Soumitra Deshpande, first in fancy dress. Rudrakshi Sen, third in drawing competition. Pala, first in English handwriting. Trishika Pal, third in English recitation. She is absent. Trishika Pal, third in English recitation. Mayuresh Matre, an endowment prize for 100% attendance. Give him a big clap. Kushit Ambade, an endowment prize for yoga. Harsh Shah, winner of 5 prizes. First rank in standard fourth. Endowment prize for first rank in standard fourth for both the division. Highest marks in maths, highest marks in maths, highest marks in science in standard fourth. Aditya Samboi, winner of 8 prizes. First rank in standard fourth and endowment prizes. Highest marks and continued studies in B.R. Toll English High School. Highest marks in English, highest marks in science, highest marks in social studies, highest marks in Hindi. Give him a big clap. Shravya NB, winner of 5 prizes. Shravya, she is absent. Amay Mane, second rank in standard 4th. Pranav Prabhu, an endowment prize for quiz. Ananya R, an endowment prize for quiz. Now for first standard we have lady of the class. Any guesses for first standard lady of the class? We have from first standard Aditi Jaltare as lady of the class. Madam, please. I request the guest to give away the prize. Lady of the class. Gentleman for the first standard. So the gentleman is Vedant Madadalkar. Now we have best student in primary section. I request madam to announce. Parents, any guesses? Anybody can guess? It is judged on overall performance of the child, studies, behavior, participation in curricular and co-curricular activities throughout all the classes. The student is?
No guesses? Okay, I'll announce the name of the child. She is Asmi from standard 4th. She is self-disciplined, obedient and all-rounder, and who is good in academics as well as in non-academic subjects. She is very helpful to all her classmates and teachers. She is regularly participating in all the activities and even in the sports too. Congratulations, Ashmi.
I request the parents to please come on the stage. I request Asmi's parents to please come on the stage.